I know this tour has been really long, but what has been like the best place till now? I know it's going to be Lisbon after this, but till now, so far.
I'm not doubting that though, but so far I think the first one, Amsterdam, was really good. We had an amazing time in Asia, Mumbai. Well, last week we were in South Africa. We had an amazing time as well. It's hard to pick one particular date, you know, like all the days were really good so far.
Okay, so after this is the greatest show in the tour, so we're really expecting it. So after, you know, like you're now #1 DJ, there's no #0, but what if you have to name one DJ that has been like the inspiration of your life, which one would it be?
Definitely Chester, without a doubt. Seriously, he was the first DJ who really inspired me to become a DJ, and now we're really close friends, you know, we work really close together. We did a record together, 076. We're currently working on 2 new songs together, and yeah, well, he's definitely been my role model my whole life.
If you think of a song that really pleases you to see your audience dance, what song would that be?
Always my own songs, you know. It's not because I love my own songs, but I think, you know, if you play your own songs, people recognize your own songs, singing along to, for example, Apollo, We're the Lucky Ones. That's the best feeling in the world, you know. It's a song I've created. It's something, you know, when you produce your own songs, it feels like that you have your own baby, you know. It's like a child you produced, and yeah, to share exactly the same emotion with the crowd, that's the best feeling, definitely.
If you know, if you were not a DJ, what would you do for a living? Would that be ever possible?
I think I would be a farmer. No, I have no idea. I have no idea.
That would be nice and chilling. I know that you'd love to remix a song by Justin Timberlake.
Yeah.
Will you be doing that soon?
I don't know, you know, I did some bootlegs of his songs, especially his recent one with Jay-Z, Holy Grail, but you know, I would love to collaborate with Justin. We will see in the future.
Okay, we really hope that. Last question. If, you know, when you go out with your friends, do you actually go dancing? Do you go clubbing? Or you prefer to be like on the other side?
No, we're not clubbing that much. We just go to like small bars in the hometown, you know, have a beer and listen to all kinds of music.
Great. Thank you so much. Dankjewel, Robert. And, you know, I know why you're the #1 in the world. It's because you're super nice.
Obrigado.
Thank you.